What's up everybody, Chris Evans here. Now, in my opinion, Nintendo controllers are some of the most cheaply made things I'd ever seen in my life.
It's false. No way. It's totally made up. Pure fiction. It's fiction. It's fiction.
The plastic is flimsy, their controllers are too small, and even these Pro controllers that do actually fit in my hand, the buttons are raised so high that when you're playing platformers, say like Mario Maker 2, it takes so long for it to, make a connection that you might miss some of those platforms. But I have found a solution to that problem. No longer will I have to use Nintendo's crappy controllers because I have this. The 8BitDo USB wireless adapter. And what this thing is gonna do is it's gonna allow me to use my PlayStation 5 DualSense controller on the Nintendo Switch. And I know, sounds crazy, right? Yeah. But it's true, and allow me to show you. So without any further ado, let's unbox this, hook it up, and test it out. All right, here we go. Got the box here. Let's open this thing up. Bam. Comes with an instruction manual and the 8BitDo. Check that out. This is a USB stick that looks like Super Mario blocks, huh? All you do is just open it up. Bam, there's your USB stick. Now, it's important to note that before plugging this into your Nintendo Switch and trying to pair it to the PS5, you'll need to go on the 8BitDo website and download any firmware or software updates to allow you to connect the controller to the 8BitDo. So once you've updated the software, you're gonna go in, you're gonna turn on your Nintendo Switch. You're gonna take the 8BitDo dongle, you're gonna plug it into the charging dock, just like so. Now, you're gonna take your PS5 controller, you're gonna hold down the PlayStation home button and the share button at the same time till you'll see it starts blinking blue. Okay, right there it's blinking. I don't know if you can see that. Then you're gonna press the pairing button on the 8BitDo. You'll feel the controller vibrate and you'll see now it has solid blue lines on the controller and you should be connected. So let's see if it actually works. There we go. There you go, guys. We're seeing this, full effect right here. Zero lag. Look at that. Moving around. Check this out. Look at that. I'm not having any input lag whatsoever. This is crazy. Look at that. No lag whatsoever playing it. Freaking awesome. Look, jump, 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 jump. No lag. Works perfect. So there you have it. No longer will I have to use Nintendo's shitty ass controllers. Now I can use quality controllers that are comfortable in my hands and accurate when playing games. I hope you liked the video and you found it informative. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another upload. Till next time, this is Chris Evans, out.